Yeah, all that germination is what caused, and all the animals and all the seeds and all that is what caused all that vines and stuff to grow up there, huh?
Well, germination is the process that allows the seed in the right environment to sprout and take root.
All to sprout and take root. I got you. Yeah, yeah, like you was telling me and stuff. It was rain and then some kind of soil too and stuff.
Yeah, they need something for the roots to get down into, because that's where the plant gets the minerals from, the soil that it's sitting on top of.
Or the soil that is sitting on top.
Yeah,
I got you. And also it needs rain too.
yes.
I got you.
Soil, rain, sun, right temperature.
I got you. These are just the ridges of the mountains here. Sometimes you see in down under the mountains too. Those are mini valleys, huh?
Oh, that's a valley. Nothing mini about that. That's a valley down
I got you. Some valleys are small, some are big, you
there.
know.
That's right.
I got you. Yeah, West Virginia is very picturesque. All right.
Absolutely is.
Yes. The traffic, the mountains, all of that.